witness. Pero para bagang sinasabi dito, yun ang pinaka-way out mo dito. Yun ang pinaka-solusyon mo dito. Magturo ka ng mas malala. Magturo ka ng ito talagang may kasalanan at mastermind. Yeah? Tapos, maabsuelto ka. Parang gano'n na sinasabi ni Attorney Guanzon dito. In a perspective of a lawyer. So there could be, that could be the motive of that witness. Ibig sabihin, maaring ito ang motibo ng witness. To save his ass, o isave niya yung sarili niya, at magturo siya ng iba na mas malala. So paano niya gagawin yun? Kailangan magbigay siya ng pangalan at magdetalye siya ng mga nangyari na nagpapalala para mailigtas niya yung sarili niya. Yun ang maaaring motibo. Pero hindi ko sinasabing yun ang motibo ng lalaki. Pero yun ang maaaring motibo.
Every time he opens his mouth, he is less credible because every day, or almost, he's implicating somebody else.
That's right.
First, Gretchen Barreto, who is an investor in this Lucky
Yes,
8, Lucky Star game, online sabong. And then, a general, which later he had to...
Yes, he recanted.
He took it back. Yeah,
Took it
because
back,
the general got mad.
Alam mo, grabe yan ha. Nakita ko yung general na yan. Sabi niya, hindi, tutuluyan ko yan. Hanggang hindi alam ko, parang sabi niya, gusto niya mag-public apology. Kasi doon niya ako na-weirdohan eh. Sabi ko, bakit yun yung kung ikaw ay witness, at talagang kumbinsido ka, kasi mas pag nagsalita siya, kumbinsido siya na ito ang mga pasimuno niya, ito may general, may senador, may ganito. Ang dami niya sinasabi. Kaya nung una, hindi ako makakomment kasi sige nga, antayin nga natin. Sino ba yung artista na yan? Sino ba yung senador na yan? Pwede ba makachismis dyan? O sino ba yung mataas sa PNP? Tapos, nung nabanggit na, biglang bumawi. Sabi, matindi pala ito. Parang kwarta o kahon. O, sa mga matatanda na dyan. Alam niyo yung kwarta o kahon? Yung bumabawi, kunwari, kwarta, yun ang gusto mo bilang, hindi pala, kahon na lang pala, gano'n. Parang ang bilis bumawi, di ba?
Then a counselor called Alvin, who said that he did not really say that that Atong Ang had him up. And then now, recently, I think yesterday, he said that Attorney Carol Cruz, who is director of the Pitmaster Foundation, is also one of the conspirators. Okay, so you have someone who is saying all of these people, 34 of them, were murdered on the orders of Atong Ang, and all of these people that he mentioned have conspired. And when he was asked, how do you know that they conspired? He said that because there was a meeting and they were all present, Gretchen, engineer so-and-so, etc. Yes. And then Atong Ang said that those who are in favor of having these 30 Sabongeros killed, raise your hand. And he said that Gretchen raised her hand, I mean, Gretchen.
Alam mo yung kinikwento, parang daw nag-meeting lahat ng mga nasa A-list. Yung alpha list, di ba? Yung mga nandun yung mga bossing, nandun si Gretchen, nandun yung mga general, at saka tatanungin daw ni Atong Ang, sinong gustong patayin ito? Itaas ang kamay. Kaya tumatawa sila dito eh. Kasi nga, parang pampelikula. Di ba? I mean, ewan ko medyo ako dun eh, parang hindi mo na kailangan ipa-meeting kunwari kung gustong patayin. Dapat very, very secret yun. Hindi na kailangan, meeting tayo lahat halimbawa, Banaderos, magpapa-meeting. Sinong gustong tanggalin si J. Guevara? Taas ang kamay. Hindi ganun eh. Di ba? Magkakaroon muna yan ng bulong-bulungan. Tapos, lalo na pagpapatayin. Muntakin mo, papatayin. O sinong gusto? Di patayin na natin to. Busin na natin sila. Taas yung kamay nyo. Parang kung ikaw yung isa sa mga nando sa listahan, di ba medyo ilag ka? Maaring hindi mo kontrahin. Maaring narinig mo. Sinabi ko nari ni Atong o ganito ang plano natin. Ya? Maaring narinig mo. O, tapos, hindi mo na lang kontrahin. Pero ibig sabihin, kung gusto mo. Pero yung tataas ka pa ng kamay, gusto kong patayin yan. Parang yun, kaya sila natatawa dito eh.
And with that face, can get away with murder, right? But, I mean, is she gonna raise her hand to have somebody
That's right.
murdered?
Parang ano,
Oh, that's it's incredible that when you want someone killed, you're gonna have a
it's
meeting.
too Hollywoodish.
No, you.
No?
When I want somebody killed,
Hollywoodish ha? Hindi nun ha? Malupit.
why would I call a meeting?
Ayan, yan. Ako po. Ay, wait lang. Ha? Baka mamaya may ano yan eh. Yan, tugtog na gayaan eh. Merong copyright yan. Delicates, di ba? So, wait ha. Tuloy. May pa-commercial pa kasi. Tuloy na lang. Hindi. Joke lang naman. Ang ganda ng discussion nila dito ni Jojo A.
No, it's not done. Okay, and so every day implicates somebody, and then he retracts, and because precisely he has to pin down Atong Ang so that he can go scot-free. But hovering around this alias Dondon, there's General Torre,
Yes.
who encouraged him to come out. And then there's, of course, Secretary Remulla, who said that we will get to the bottom of this lake. Literally. We will get to the
Okay.
bottom of Taal Lake.
Okay.
And,
At ang bilis ha. Hindi ako. Kasi sabi pa nila, di ba, hihiram pa sila ng gamit sa ibang bansa. I think Japan pa ata yun eh. Para ano. Pero kinabukasan, ilang araw lang, mga 3 araw lang, nahukay na nila sa ilalim ng shit. Iba talaga. Ibang level ang gobyerno to. Parang yung paghukay na ginawa sa KOJC. Kaya siya may heartbeat. Ito naman, may buto. Kaya medyo ano again, alam mo yun, meron sa part ko na, maganda yan, tama yan, ipaglaban natin yung mga namatay na sabungero at mga nawawalang sabungero, ipaglaban natin yan kasi that is murder. Diba? Parang may ganun ka, at mali yan. Dapat natin pugsain ang kumpanya ng sabong, ganyan. Pero maiirita ka kasi the way they're doing it. It's not, wala. Gusto nyo tagalin